Video number 2, baby. Listen to this beat. All right, here we go. People looking, let them go.
You gotta set it free.
You want me to start it? You want me to start it? I get you. Go.
You gotta set it free. You gotta let it be. You gotta let it go with the melody. Cause she was free. Thought she was fine.
I'm a free bird.
From behind. Gotta set her free like a bird. It's like adjectives and nouns. Words. Gotta set it free. You gotta let it go. Can't let it sit in jail. Hell no. You gotta throw it out. Kick it out your house. Get it out your tongue. Spit it out your mouth. Gotta set it free. You gotta let it live. Give it to somebody because it's good to give. Just set it free. Now tell them to go. Tell them how it is. Let's put on the show.
Okay, yep, my turn. I'm too bright for you to see. Your girl calling me sunshine. I bring the heat. I'm another planet, motion on the moon. I'm extravagant. I'm live with the assume that I'm on top. Look at me now. I'm so damn proud. I bet my father would give me money just for working at Waffle House. I make it cause I make it like I make it. You just sitting on that Waffle House making that bacon. Yeah.
My back aching, it's back breaking, but I'ma make it, and I'ma set it free, and I'ma quit. When I quit, I'ma tell y'all the fuck. I don't need to say it, no I don't be playing. Making money, stacking cheese, yeah that's my way shit. Blue shirt, black hat, so where the fuck hanging upside down, back set? Goddamn.
Hey baby, hey Malachi, I want y'all to know that y'all my future, y'all my sky. You're the ones I look up to, nobody else, I pray to God, but I want you to know I love you. Don't get it twisted because I'ma be your uncle to the day that I drop biscuit. I tried to make up words then, but that didn't work.
Till the day I drop
Till the day I drop
biscuit.
I ain't trying to
biscuit. This is it. No soul food making money on the toilet shit. With the toilet paper. Motherfuck the haters. Making money stacking QB house radiators. And I'll see you later. Boy in the yard. Making lots of money. Yeah, I'm in my fucking yard. This my house. The Waffle House. What you talking about? Cheese. That's all I'm gonna get. Call me a mouth.
Like Kanye West said, keep rocking. Like he said, just keep knocking. Get whether you're Louis Vuittoning up or Reeboking, just keep doing you and no stopping. Strike your own way and just let them hate. Just let them hate while you take your take. Because the more money that you get is what you spend in life and what you get out of it.
What you get out of it? YouTube, viral, reality shit. This the channel that's getting all the views. We keep doing this, they gonna put us on the news. Probably channel 5. You motherfuckers behind. The Waffle House spitting all types of rhymes. And you will find me in there frying shit while I'm cooking, but I'm not right now. So I'm out here with tofu.
Let me tell you something. You think we nothing? Dude, we sitting out Waffle House making money. Not from serving biscuits or breakfast. Making these lyrics and serving up guest lists. Guest list. That's what I'm talking about. We sitting here making people come out while we rap. Yeah, look at that. They believe in us. I don't give a what. I'm not gonna say that, cuz I beat hard. I go so hard, man. You don't want this. I'm Luigi. Mario. He's just some wannabe has been no show.